hear them. Thank you for watching Incredible Animal. See you in the next video. And adorable, cat-like-a-human moments. Which scene was your favorite in the video? Or do you have any funny stories about your own cat you'd like to share? We'd love to. Strict quality control from the cat manager, ensuring everything is perfect. Bathroom time is also for appreciating art. This cat is truly fashionable. Cat is
Nothing can challenge this climbing expert. Seems a bit tough now. Okay, I give up.
You're in my... I can't see shit but a cat in my face.
Oh, nice outfit, bud.
So I have a couple professionals looking at my car right now. I tried to ask them questions, but they weren't really on the talkative side. I'm hoping they can fix it without any issues. So far,
Waking up to this furry friend every morning will fill you with energy.
This fella. He wouldn't even need a chimney, huh? Huh. If they go missing one day, you know where to find them.
When you're on the highest perch but can't escape the clingy kid.
Oh, you ain't actually that dark. What are you up to, you shadow gremlin? Just a furball on the path to reaching the level of professional dexterity.
Hitting the gym to stay in shape, this
Sweetie, I think you're too big. I think you're too big.
adorable cat. The cat is observing the owner's personal hygiene routine. Seems eager to learn how to brush teeth.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Boss has a sweet tooth too, but it seems like a real struggle to finish this lollipop. The diner is looking at the wine glass with curiosity, seems to want to try a new flavor.
This mischievous machine is in charge. Please don't touch.
I hate you so much! No!
Professor Cat is researching world domination, but also promoting himself. Excuse me, human, can I come in? I'm all wet.
Pesek. Lo. Tengok kowe po.
Thanks, but excuse me, move over. It's just a disposable sleeping bag.
Without these brawls, the house would feel like it's missing something, wouldn't it? Looks like there's always a physical race switch in these buddies.
portion this month, or no? There's so much to do.
If I were that guy, I'd just sit like that too. Looks so chill.
Что? Мамкины цветочки.
The cat police chief
Seems like this guy's up to some mysterious ritual.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
When all is said and done, she is a killer.
ensuring
or extroverts, turning playtime into a party.
Animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth.
This buddy caught a strange but cute fish from the sea. Look at its swim style.
Some truly unique. The most persistent customer at the market, determined to beg for a tasty bite.
Printy! Printy!
Like he's not playing.
What will you take to your next relationship that you already have?
Hit me.
This is exactly the art of turning someone else's annoyance into entertainment.
Security for the entire area. When the cat sits pondering life, sometimes he just wants to be left alone in peace. When your cat has officially leveled up, using the toilet all by himself like a grown adult.
Once these furballs decide they don't like you, you'll be cancelled just for existing.
Oh yeah, okay.
comments. Do you want to see more videos like this? Share your thoughts. If the air conditioner won't turn on, he'll just handle it himself. The cat seamstress is checking every stitch, ensuring a perfect product for you.
He's mad at you.
Someone doesn't have hands, but apparently that's never been an issue. Sure, this is a hassle, but it's quite worrying if they stop causing these chaos.
Al işte üstü. You just unrolled all the paper towels and you two are gonna do some more?
Suele ahí, agarra ahí. Con tu pata.
He really stepped into the role of Big Brother today, quiet, caring, and completely dedicated to the baby. The handyman is trying to solve a problem, even if he might have caused it himself.
Oh, mate, so you're practicing social distancing while being social, huh?
This means
Most dangerous act.
Diligently working on his abs.
does anyone know what?
Really? My sister can't just...
The clock is wrong. The timekeeper is adjusting it, surely to make it on time for dinner.
Picking the most precarious spots to play. This is your price, kiddo.
The cat cashier is having a tough day with uncooperative customers.
Are you okay?
Your bed is basically an arena for these guys. No surprise expected.
Come on, get out before he suffocates you. No, let him out, Jet. Jet!
야, 너 살쪄서 그래. 야!
Here's the family's sound expert, adjusting the speakers to get the perfect music vibe. Patiently waiting for the elevator like a person in a hurry. This cat really knows how to get around. The little apprentice carpenter is learning, enthusiastically helping the owner saw wood. So adorable.
Sometimes these furball got spooked by their own mischief.
What are you doing? Oh my god!
If you love these
A 100% perfect landing like this, not everyone can pull that off.
Don't forget to like, share the video, and let us know your feelings in the comments.
Kenny.
Oh my god!
Someone's scouting for prey just to make their jump look less awkward.
Looks like his favorite spot needs some exercise to sit on. Cats can be introverts, happily doing their own thing like this.
A violent creature filled with hateful thought.
Oh my god, I just fed you.
So, we've just enduring a hat to work. This cat seems very serious about his job. A travel companion on every road, this cat is truly stylish and brave. A cool fashion style with sunglasses and a baseball cap. Truly a fashion icon. Sound asleep in warm pajamas, like a child dreaming sweet dreams. When the cat helps you clean the house but turns it into a fun game. Coming home from shopping, the cat carries the bag himself. Truly a reliable friend. Joining the fun with the owner, this cat seems to want to enjoy some beer too.
What's up, baby girl? Let me just grab these two.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
What you ready for, donut? Huh?
The cat electrician is rechecking the lighting system, ensuring everything is perfect. The vendor is waiting for customers, hoping to sell all these fresh, delicious fruits.
If Santa had 9 lives like
is inspecting patrol duty.
Oh, no, 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 no. Блин, слышишь, пошли? На ушки одела,
Here's the family's plumber, super diligent and incredibly adorable.